Hello everyone, I'm Bodine Victoria and today I'm going to show you how to clean a land crab. Now this ain't traditional, so I know somebody Grammy could look at me. You need a toothbrush, but guess what? These beauty brushes work just as well. I bought this one specifically for cleaning crabs, and the head on this is way too harsh for skin. Let me just let y'all know, if you're using this brush head on your skin, you may not want to do that because it is heavy duty. This is for exfoliation, and that's why it works so well on the crab. And so for the smaller crevices, I'm using the toothbrush. And here's the thing, using a toothbrush is all well and good, but when you're cleaning 2-3 dozen and then you have all of those legs that you need to clean to pick, the spin brush actually works a whole lot more efficiently for your needs. And I'm just going to show you. So with the crab, you got to open the flap. Oh Lord, this is why you can't eat crab from everybody, because not everybody go open the flap. And normally you clean it under running water, but the lighting is better this way. And so for the demonstration purposes, I just wanted you to see. I've changed the water out and I'm still cleaning this crab. It does take a while to get in here and get under there. And so I'm also going to use this brush on the crab's underside. So if the person that you buy in crab from don't clean like this, then you don't need to be buying crab from them to eat. And this is just a demonstration of how quickly the brush works on a crab claw. Honestly, when you have hundreds of these to do, the brush comes in handy, and that means that all you got to do is take the toothbrush and clean the little crevices. I have recipes where I show you how to use the entire crab coming up.